Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Yes.
There are so many stories of Lord Chaitanya converting so many rascals by just his presence when we chant Hare Krishna. How can we get his mercy so that we can help the people around us to chant Hare Krishna?
If you chant sincerely this mantra, everything will be clear. It is the clearing process. Even if you have got some rascal ideas, rascal association, it doesn't matter. Simply if you chant, you know practically everyone that this chanting process is the only method that will make people advance. So this is the method, chanting and hearing. Here the lectures from Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, try to understand and chant and follow the rules and regulations. So rules and regulations later on. First of all, you try to hear and chant. Sinnatang Sagatha Krishna Punnasavana Kirtana. Punnasavana Kirtana. Anyone who hears Hare Krishna, he becomes pious simply by hearing. He becomes purified. So at a stage, he will accept. But people think that what is this Hare Krishna chanting? You see, if you give them some black Kulakandali yoga and all these humbugs, they will be very much pleased. You see. So they want to be cheated. And some cheaters come, yes, you take this mantra, give me $35, and within 6 months you become God, you'll have 4 hands. So we want to be cheated. That is, cheating process is one of the item of conditional life. There are 4 defects of conditional life. One defect is that we commit mistake. And another defect is that we accept something which is not that. Just like commit mistake, that is not to be very difficult to understand. Every one of us know how we commit mistake. Blunder, even great men, they also commit blunder, you see. Just like there are so many instances amongst the politicians, a little mistake, blunder, great blunder. The mistake to err is human, mistake is there. Similarly, accepting something as fact which is not fact. How it is that just like everyone in the conditioned life, they think that this body is like myself. But I am not this. I am not this body. So this is called illusion, pramad. The best example is to accept a rope as a snake. Suppose in the darkness there is a rope like this, and you are afraid, oh, here is a snake. This is the best example of illusion. Accepting something which is not that. So this defect is there in conditioned life. And to make error and mistake, that defect is there. And the third defect is that we want to cheat and we want to be cheated. We are also very expert. We are always thinking how I shall cheat somebody. And naturally he is also thinking to cheat me. So the whole conditional life is the association of cheaters and cheated. That's all. So this is another defect. And the fourth defect is that our senses are imperfect. Therefore all knowledge that we receive, that is imperfect knowledge. A man may speculate, but he may speculate with his mind. That's all. But his mind is imperfect. However you may speculate, he will produce something nonsense, that's all. Because his mind is imperfect. It doesn't matter that if you add thousands of zeros, it makes one. No, it is still zero. So the speculation process to understand the Supreme is nothing but zero. Therefore, with all these defects of our conditioned life, it is not possible to come to the real life. Therefore, we have to take it from personalities like Krishna and his bona fide representative. That is real knowledge. Then he will get perfection.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.